today we are celebrating the 1-year anniversary of Faves by Miss Vaughn, and I am so excited. Big occasions like this call for big hair, so you know. So this is my 1-year anniversary box, you guys. It has been 1 year since Faves by Miss Vaughn was launched. I am so excited to be able to share in this huge milestone with you guys. And if you guys are not familiar with my subscription box, it is a bi-monthly beauty and lifestyle box curated every other month by yours truly. Every month you can look forward to new and unique finds, everything from hair care to beauty to lifestyle, even like vegan edibles. So really everything Miss Vaughn that can fit in a box. Ships for free and delivers every other month directly to your doorstep. I put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this box every other month, you guys. You have no idea. So myself and my team just want to thank all of you out there for your support in my creative initiatives. I am so excited about this month's box, you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So the overall design of the box, as you guys can see, is really, really cute. I wanted to have a 1 on the top to represent the 1-year anniversary. We also did some fun confetti all around the box. So for this month, because it was such a momentous occasion being the anniversary of Faves by Miss Vaughn, I wanted this box to be huge, so it is the biggest box I've had so far. I also wanted it to include all of the best items that I've encountered for 2018. I tried a lot of stuff this year and I wanted to include only the best. The retail value of my November box is just over $100, so it's really exciting. And for a box that only costs $39.99 and ships for free, I would say that's a pretty good value. Most of the items that are included in my boxes are available for purchase on my website. I have so many awesome sales going on right now for the holiday, so I will include a link in the description box so you guys definitely check it out. So the first item that I'm gonna pull out of my November anniversary box is my inserts. So let's go ahead and take a peek at the inserts. So in this month's box, you guys got 2 inserts. This first one is just a picture of me with all of my boxes that I've shipped so far, really exciting. And then on the back is a thank you note, which also summarizes what you can expect from your box. Next is an insert with all of the items in this month's box. You guys will find the retail value of each item, as well as some helpful little hints on here. So make sure that you read through your inserts. You guys, there's so much cool stuff in this month's box. Oh my goodness. So first things first, everyone got a noise maker because I want you guys to celebrate when you open your box. I want you to make noise. I want you to say, yay, 1 year. I also want you guys to post your reaction of your box contents on Instagram. Use the hashtag MyFavesBox for a chance to win a prize. So the first item that I'm gonna pull out of this month's box is this Ajoy Signature Products Luxury Salt Bath Soap, you guys. This one is in the flavor Wild Berry and Peppermint. I'm so excited about bath time products these days, you guys. I am absolutely obsessed. And the way that you use a product like this is just to add it to your bath. It's going to turn your bath into a luxury soaking experience. I'm all about unwinding and recharging in the bath. I feel like it's the best way to really energize yourself because not only are you soothing yourself and relaxing, but you're also getting clean. So I feel like it's the best environment for that. And you guys, this bath soak is so luxurious. It turns any regular bath into a luxurious experience. It feels so soft on the skin, you guys, and it smells incredible. And it really helps to create like an aromatherapy environment for your bath time. You guys have got to try this. You're going to love it. I absolutely love products from Ajoy Signature Products. So make sure that you guys do click the link below so that you can explore all of the offerings from Ajoy Signature Products. So speaking of bath time, let's talk a little bit about skincare. So the next full-size product that you guys got in this month's box is from Vaseline. This is a newly launched product, you guys, from their clinical care line. You guys are getting a full-size tube of the Extremely Dry Skin Rescue Healing Moisture Lotion. This is brand new from Vaseline, you guys, so it's super exciting to be able to have it in my box. I was so excited to be able to get my hands on this for you guys. You're going to love it. For any of you guys out there who suffer from dry skin or dry skin issues, this is going to be the thing for you guys to try. I assure you, you're going to love it. This product promises to transform skin from very dry to healed in just 5 days. You guys, that is incredible. And I'm telling you guys, I am in the middle of trying out this claim. I'm on day 2, and let's just say I am loving it. I've recently partnered with Vaseline Clinical Care, so stay tuned for some content around these skincare products. I wanted to include another hair oil, and you guys may recognize Tropical Isle Living products from my previous box. I am so in love with these products, you guys. They are such high quality products for your hair, it cannot be denied. So in this month's box, you guys are getting the Strong Roots Red Pimento Hair Growth Oil, you guys. This oil is great for hot oil treatments, pre-poos, and scalp massages. And overall, you guys, this product is something that you can use from the root to the tip of your hair. You do not have to discriminate. This smells really natural, and it's a lightweight oil, you guys, so you can just go crazy applying it to your hair. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure that you click the link below to check out other offerings by Tropical Isle Living. And it is Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Dry Shampoo. So I wanted all of us to just kind of give it a try. Now, I was skeptical at first about dry shampoos. I had been hearing about them a lot more in the natural hair space, and I was really kind of skeptical, but I wanted to give it a try, and then I felt like if I liked it, I would include it in the box for you guys to try. So that's what we did. So the thing about this dry shampoo, you guys, and the reason why I am becoming a fan is because I feel like with curly haired individuals, we do not wash our hair every single day. Like, you've got some folks that wash every week, some folks that wash once a month. So in between those washes, you guys, sometimes your hair might get a little bit oily. It might start to behave a little bit differently because it is getting dirty. You want to just give it a refresher. You don't want to go full out shampoo, but you just want to put something in the hair that's going to freshen it up, soak up some of that oil, and allow your style to kind of still shine through. So that's what a product like this is going to do. And you don't have to use a whole lot of it, and the scent is not strong. It is actually very subtle and give you that fresh out of the shower feel in between washes. So next in the box, I have a couple more items for hair, you guys. Come on, you knew I was gonna have hair care in this box. So I think you guys are gonna be really excited about this next set. I partnered with Cantu, you guys, one of my favorite hair care brands out there, and they launched some new products this year, you guys, and you are going to be able to try 2 of those new products in the full-size version. So the first one is this Texture by Cantu Defining Cream, and the other one is the Moisture Mask. You guys, I have been really experiencing some major benefits from using moisture masks, so I had to include one in this month's box. I feel like my hair is so much softer and bouncier and healthier just because I used this moisture mask. You guys, the fragrance on these products is so nice. And I want you guys to get really excited about this defining cream, you guys. I love using defining creams. I use them on my hair for wet styles, twist outs, braid outs, pretty much anything, you guys. I will use a defining cream. Now, most defining creams actually contain silicone, but this one doesn't. So for those of you out there who have a sensitivity to silicone, you don't have to worry about that with this product. It gives your curls movement, moisture, and manageability with spearmint oil and shea butter infused, girl. And I hope you love it. I know you are. And next, I'm going to share with you guys something really festive for the holiday. And it's actually 2 items that go really well together, but they're separate. It is this beautiful fun mug and this vegan hot chocolate. You guys, this is by a company called Elements Truffles. I am new to Elements, but I discovered their products just recently and I absolutely fell in love. This is a dark hot chocolate, you guys. It is vegan, fair trade, small batch, and it is 100% plant-based. You guys are going to absolutely love this vegan hot chocolate because it is infused with herbs, and herbs are everything, you guys. They are amazing when they show up in our body products. They are amazing when they show up in our hair products, and they taste great when they show up in our food products. So the taste of this is very rich, and even the way that you prepare it is very authentic to a high quality, decadent hot chocolate, but no dairy is involved. So you basically prepare this stovetop, and you just go ahead and enjoy it with your mug that we included, you guys. I absolutely love this mug. Girl, this is the ultimate side-eye coffee cup, teacup, hot chocolate cup, whatever you drink. I specifically designed it just for my Faves subscribers. And you know, I had to go with the black matte, you guys, because I love items that just have like that matte finish. But also, if you guys know me, you know, it had to be lined in red. I love items that are lined in red, you guys. Now, you guys remember when Marshawn Lynch said that quote and it became like a famous statement, you guys. It just sort of went viral. And I absolutely loved it when I first heard it because I thought it was a really badass thing to say. Saying it how it is, expressing how you feel, and just being really true to who you are. And that's why I wanted to include this quote on here. You guys, if you are as excited as I am about vegan dark hot chocolates, honey, especially with the winter months and the holiday coming up, I'm gonna tell you to click the link below and go to my website. I actually have really good news. I have a bundle for you guys. Let me show you. So this is the holiday bundle that is available on my site right now, you guys. Not only do you get the vegan hot chocolate, but you also get to try 3 delicious herb infused chocolates from Elements Truffles. You guys will not believe. You get to get this full vegan chocolate truffle bundle, girl, for $23.99. Let me show you guys what comes inside. So of course you get the vegan hot chocolate, but you guys also get to try my favorite flavors that I've tried from Elements Truffles, you guys. You're gonna get the maple toffee crunch infused with moringa. Girl, this is so damn good. I'm telling you guys, these are delicious. This one has like a little toffee crunch in it. And then this one, you guys, you get the raspberry infused with beetroot. I love this one because it is super, super rich. And then finally, you guys, the cinnamon orange infused with clove. This one has actually little pieces of dehydrated orange. And so when you bite into that, you guys, it just tastes like candy. And with these Elements Truffles products, 25% of profits are donated. So I highly recommend you guys go to my site and check it out. And for those of you who got this month's box, girl, enjoy. Next is an item that showed up in a previous box, and I wanted to pop another one in a different flavor for you guys, and that is this Ellovi lip butter. Ellovi lip butters, you guys, they come in so many unique, delicious flavors, so I wanted to include two. So some of you guys are going to be getting the key lime lip butter like I have here, and others are going to be getting the ginger lemon. These are vegan lip butters that are so awesome. You know how sometimes you'll get like an all-natural product and it doesn't work as well as the one with all of the chemicals and preservatives? Well, this is not a product that falls under that category. It actually works really, really well as a moisturizer for your lips. And I take moisturized lips very seriously, you guys, because I just can't really handle crusty lips. And last but not least, you guys, one of my favorite items in the box, and sunglasses from Perverse, you guys. You are absolutely going to love these sunglasses. And I really love the charitable give back approach of Perverse. And I love what Perverse stands for, you guys. It's all about being original and deviating from the norm and all that kind of stuff. And I am all about it, you guys. I'm all about being unique because we need more interesting people in this world. It's too easy to be like everyone else. It takes courage to be different. And I am all for that, you guys. And so I love that that's what Perverse stands for. So you get this really cool case to protect your glasses. So they are going to arrive in perfect condition. And they also come in this cute little dust bag, which I'm going to pull out. And it's also in another layer of plastic, you guys. So your glasses are not gonna be scratched, broke, or anything like that. It was really important for me that you guys got your glasses in perfect condition. So I'm just going to try these on for you guys. So these are the glasses, honey, and all I can say is yes, ma'am. Perfect for winter. Girl, these are year-round glasses. They are so appropriate. And like I said, you guys, you can wear these winter, spring, summer, fall, but I feel like especially in the colder months because they just give you like that I'm cool even though it's cold vibe. You know what I'm saying? So I am really excited about these items, you guys. I feel like this box was so much fun, you guys. Definitely comment below and let me know what you think. And we have to get excited about my next box, you guys. It ships in January and it is going to be a box for a cause, you guys. This is my first time releasing a box with a charitable purpose. I am so excited, you guys, because January is Cervical Cancer Awareness Month. So for January, I partnered with the National Cervical Cancer Coalition. So with every January box purchase, you guys, you are helping to support cervical cancer research. More than 10 years ago, you guys, I actually myself personally had a cervical cancer scare. And thanks to technology and preventive care, you guys, I was able to rectify that situation. And your girl is here and healthy and I don't have any cervical issues. But that is not the case for everyone. There are plenty of people, too many actually, that don't have access to preventive care, proper screenings, or even aware that these types of resources are available to them. So I just want to do my part in using my platform to help spread awareness about cervical cancer prevention, such as screenings and education. With the purchase of a January box, you guys, you are helping me to do that. So I want to thank all of you in advance, especially the people who are already subscribed to my box. And then for those of you who are considering subscribing, this is the perfect time to do so. I am opening the window for new subscriptions, you guys, and it will be open for the next 2 weeks. So hurry and subscribe if you have not already so that you can get in on my January box because it is going to be my first box for a cause. And I'm really excited about that. So thank you guys so much for watching my November anniversary box unboxing. This was so much fun, you guys, and I hope that you all love the items that I included in this month. And if you are not subscribed to my subscription box, make sure that you do click the link below. And I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye!
Yo, one glass of Patron to smash in its own, and I dash right back to the pad where I zone. Got a stash collection, double packs that I own. When I break them out, sneakerheads get blown.